Resurrection of the soul, awakening from the ashen embers. When the heart is as ashen embers, seemingly devoid of all passion and vitality, the inner self becomes indifferent and desolate. However, it is precisely within this realm of ashen embers that we can discover the path to the resurrection of the soul. Sometimes, it is only in the deepest indifference that we can ignite the most primal forces within, radiating a dazzling brilliance. In the ashen embers of the soul, when the heart is as dead as ash, it feels as if the world has been drained. Yet, within this emptiness, lies an opportunity to redefine ourselves. Similar to the phoenix rising from the ashes, moments when the heart is as ashen embers present, an opportunity for a new ascent. Only in the endless indifference can we touch the indomitable heart within, sparking the inner flame. A heart as ashen embers is an interrogation of the soul, as well as a moment of awakening. Don't let indifference engulf you. Instead, traverse the abyss of ashen embers with courage. Just like stars shining in the dark night, in moments when the heart is as ashen embers, we will witness the radiant reappearance of the soul. Only against the backdrop of ashen embers can we hear the pulsating heartbeat in the deepest recesses of the soul, feeling the true resurrection of the soul.